Hello and welcome to our demo on connecting SAP S/4HANA Cloud to SAP Data Warehouse Cloud System. To connect SAP S/4HANA Cloud System to SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, we need to create a communication user in SAP S/4HANA Cloud System. We need to create a communication system and we need to create a communication arrangement using standard scenario SAP underscore com underscore 0532. Log in to SAP S/4HANA Cloud System and navigate to Communication Management. To create a new communication user, use application Maintain Communication Users. Click on New. Provide the username, description, and password for the communication user and click on Create. Once the communication user is created, we will create a communication system. Select New. Provide system ID and system name. Click on Create. Since we are going to use inbound communication, we can put a free text for the host name. We can keep the port as is and we can add the user for inbound communication. We can look for the user that we have created just now. And we can keep the authentication method as username and password. We can save our communication system. Now we will create the communication arrangement. Click on New. In the scenario, look for standard scenario SAP COM 0532 and click on Create. Provide the communication system that we have created just now. And we got the user that we have configured in our communication system, and also we can see the inbound services of the ABAP pipeline engine that would be used to communicate with SAP S/4HANA Cloud System. The next step, we can save the arrangement, communication arrangement, and the next steps we will configure in SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. To save the communication arrangement, click on Save, and the communication arrangement is saved now. In SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, we need to create a space to which we need to connect the SAP S/4HANA Cloud System. We need to add users to that space, and we need to create a connection using connection type SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Let's have a look in the system how we can configure these steps. Now navigate to SAP Data Warehouse Cloud and go to login and go to the space management. We have already created a space to which we are going to connect the SAP S/4HANA Cloud System. So click on the space and navigate to connections. In the connection, click on add connection. In the connection type, we can select a filter. We would like to connect S4HANA cloud system, we will say categories as cloud and source as SAP, and we will select SAP S4HANA cloud. For the application server, we will copy the application server from the URL. We will provide client as 100, port as 443. The username that we have used in our communication system and the password of that user. We'll click on the next steps. We will provide the name, and we will say create connection. We can validate the connection using the validate option available in the create connection wizard.